Today we are eating blended up regular food, and we're gonna try and figure out what it is.
I'm gonna do this.
How do you feel?
I don't think it'll be pleasant.
How was your palate, JP? Would you say?
Sophisticated?
Oh, all right. I feel confident about this.
Peanut butter.
Yeah. I'm gonna guess without tasting.
I can
peanut
smell
butter and jelly.
I'm getting that jelly, and I'm getting some weird mealiness that has to be the bread.
White bread.
Yep.
I hate the consistency. No, the flavor of this is great. It's literally a peanut butter and jelly. It tastes great. Definitely PB&J.
Yeah.
This is like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich blended up.
Got it.
Yeah.
High five. Oh my God, yeah.
Ooh. Yeah, that was a good one. How come I can't smell anything?
Oh, wait, no. It smells like warm milk breath.
Oh, this is thick.
Oh, I don't want to do this.
It's not coming up the straw.
Ugh, I'm gonna need a second.
That's mac and cheese.
Oh wait, this is mac and cheese. That should not have ever been blended.
That's like some Velveeta mac and cheese.
Got it.
Yeah. It kind of tastes like grits.
Or polenta.
Or polenta, yeah, same kind of thing.
It's macaroni and cheese.
Ew.
Ew, what? I need to rely on more than just my taste buds to understand what these are because,
Oh God.
It's beginning.
ew, it smells like some kind of veggie. Like,
Oh, I tasted it. It's tart.
I definitely have some green stuck in my teeth.
oh, it's sour kind of.
Yeah.
It tastes like a rotten sour.
This tastes like apples. This is dumpster apples is what I would normally go with.
Yeah, definitely something green.
I think there's cheese in it.
Honestly, it's apples and hair. Like if apples could grow hair, that's what this is.
is the
It's compost.
compost.
We're eating garbage. Thank you.
I'm gonna go fingernails.
This just tastes like
Not have
something
this
went
texture.
rotten and then you blended it.
It smells like a Caesar salad.
Oh, I just got like a walnut.
Like a
I have-
salad with ranch dressing. See, I'm going with Caesar salad.
It's a Waldorf salad.
It's like warm.
Oh, that smells like gravy.
Oh God, no.
Oh. Oh gosh.
Nah.
No, that's disgusting. I don't know, I taste cheese.
It's like a stuffing.
I'm sipping on gravy.
There's like cheese in it, right?
It's like a baked potato.
Or is this mashed potatoes and gravy? Just
Oh, I think
blended?
you're right. I think it's mashed potatoes. Are we right? Is that good? We're wrong.
Is there meat in this? Please don't tell me.
No, it tastes like broccoli cheddar soup. That's my final answer.
You got it!
Really?
That's what it is.
Holy is.
This one's cold, which is exciting for me.
I think there's ice cream.
I really
in
hope it's a
this.
milkshake.
Okay.
Okay,
Where are you?
cheers.
Ooh, I smell bananas.
Banana and something.
Ooh, I know what that something is. Hold on.
I can't figure out what the other thing is though. I want
There-
to say like
it's gotta
marshmallow
be-
fluff.
There's whipped
There's-
cream in this.
Yeah, there's some chocolate. This is great. Please don't tell me there's anything gross in it because I don't even want to know. Is this like an ice cream sundae?
Oh yeah. Is this
Not
a ice cream
a
sundae?
banana split, I mean.
Banana split?
A banana
I think
split.
it's a banana. Oh, a banana split. That's what I was trying. Did I say a banana sundae or something weird?
Something
but
like that.
banana split is what I was envisioning in my head.
It's a banana split.
Yay!
This was great. I always love these challenges on shows.
I always thought I'd do well on them, and
Yeah.
I'm a little disappointed in myself.
Same.
I mean, it's essentially you're eating food that you eat every day. It's just you don't have to chew.
The broccoli soup was my favorite.
That was my least favorite.
Maybe I'll blend my food now.
No,
I would not eat blended food.
chicken should never be blended.
No meat should be blended
It's
ever.
disgusting.
We hope you like this video. If you want to see more like it, just subscribe to Food Network.